What's going on, Brosephine? We got us an old sink leak here. Give you guys a quick look. It was leaking from the old basket. The old strainer basket. You see it's wet. See it glistening. Oh, there goes the drip. Boop. And a boop. So I don't fight these things. I just take it out and put in a new one. I'll show you what kind I like to use. Yeah, I like to use these double cups. Sink strainer double cup. That's what it's called if you're looking for the part. I got mine from HD Supply, but I'm sure Home Depot, Lowe's, all you homeowners that watch can get it. It's called a sink strainer double cup. That goes in the top, and then that goes on the bottom. Screw it down. I like the tiny, the little nut that it has on it instead of this big gigantic nut that's going to be a pain to take off. Alright, we got to get the old one out. I'm going to be using my rigid faucet installer. This is an awesome tool. All you new guys, I recommend it. You can use this end, and it fits down in here like that, and will hold it. You can hold it with one hand while you wrench from underneath, so it prevents the whole thing from spinning. Totally recommend this tool. It's awesome. You can do so much with it. I got a lot of videos using this baby. As you can see, it's well worn. Try to give it some smacks and loosen it up. Jay Booty, y'all seen Jay Booty on my other videos. Jay Booty's on his lunch break, but worst comes to worst, I'll wait till he's done and call him over. I think we got some spinning. I think it's spinning. Just get it loose, we'll be home free. Looks like the whole thing's spinning, man. Alright, I laid my tool bag on top of the tool. Give some weight on it. I will not call Jay Booty. I'm not gonna bother him. So I had to call in the old Jay Booty. Jay Booty's here, he's holding the top. I had to put a lot of man on this thing, about 300 pounds of man. Oh yeah, there you go, Jay Booty. Just go ahead and span it on out. Holy cow. I mean, I'm sure some of you are screaming, cut it off! Fellas out there, cut it off! It's kind of tight up in here, man. You might cut the bottom of the sink. Now you're in a double mess. Just keep on fighting, use a little patience. Like I said, once you get the old one off, man, the new one's cream cheese. Cool. Brass nut off. I can pull it up. Woo! Man, if I had a stug, I'd smoke it. Alright, we got it out. As I see, first off, there's not a lot of plumber's putty around here. This is it. I wonder if they put any at all. Alright, we'll throw the new one in. It's all downhill, Skid. We'll do a little prepping first. Get that old ring out of there. That debacle. Gonna put the new brass on. Just pull this ring down. Pull it off. We'll go with our new one. New everything. Take that out. Put the new one in. And we're good. All new stuff. Or this top stuff anyway. Gave this a good cleaning, nice smooth surface. I'm going to use some Stay Soft plumber's putty and snake it around the hole All right, we got the new plumber's putty down. Just snake it around the hole. There's no wrong or right way to do it. Just put it down there. This is our new basket. This goes in the top. And whatever plumber's putty squishes out, you can just take it and put it back in the thing. And this is the bottom. This goes underneath the gasket and this bowl. The best kind to get. All right, I had to take our little piece back out of there so I can make some moves. It's been a while. I forgot about that. So just take it out. No big deal. Then we're going to put our bowl underneath there, screw it down. Throw the old bowl in. Tighten it up. That easy. I love the double bowlage. That big nut stuff's for the birds. Alright, bro, see if that sucker's tight. And then whatever squishes out, just put it back in the bucket. It was a lot more earlier. That's just what's left after I did one more tautness. There we go, Jim bro. Snug it up. There we go. And that's all there is to it, man. Once you get the old one out, the new one goes in fairly easy. Alright, let's do the old leak test. Alright, here we go with the old dumper. It's the second one. I think we're good. No leakies, no drips. Wow, what a pain. That was the worst one I've ever tried to get out. I've had some fight me, but not like that one. Alright, no leaks, man. We're good to go. Alright, dudes, we're good to go here. And remember, if you'd like to support the channel, you can do so by shopping for tools, whatever you need on Amazon. You're not going to be charged any more money. All you're doing is shopping through my link. And that's how you guys can support the channel. A lot of guys ask how they can support. That's how you can do it. Shop through my Amazon link. Again, no extra cost to you. You're just going through my link. All right, I'll see you on the next video. Later.